Yogi Clan, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. So yes, I'm bringing you this video real quick on a Tuesday just to get the word out. A week and a half away from the Orphan run. What is up with that? Holy cow, that's coming up fast. That said, April 1st, 2023, Speedway Harley Davidson, Concord, North Carolina. You're going to want to be there that Saturday. 10 o'clock will officially start registration. Also at 10 o'clock, we're going to be doing a bike blessing. Even if you don't ride a motorcycle, come on out and support us. At about 10:45, we will go ahead and have a pre-ride discussion. Just talk about the route, talk about some safety, talk about some hand signals, all that good stuff. And at 11 o'clock, we'll do kickstands up. Now the routes, we test rode it today, just to make sure everything's really cool. It's a good route. It should be fun, should be enjoyable. It'll take us about an hour and 15 minutes. And then when we get back to the Harley Davidson dealer that we start from, we will have food for you to fill your bellies, and we'll have some live music. Now the ride, if you're coming solo, if you're riding solo, is $15 per rider, $20 if you're riding two up. You and a passenger, 20 bucks. 100% of the proceeds of this ride, like literally 100%. So every dollar, if you come out there on Saturday, April 1st, every dollar you give will be a dollar that will go to Sacred Selections, the nonprofit that we're supporting from this ride. Why Sacred Selections, might you ask? Stay tuned, I'll tell you why in a minute. But dollar for dollar, everything that you spend on the day of the Orphan run will go to Sacred Selections. And how can I guarantee that? Because we've gotten sponsorships that are going to cover all of our fixed costs. They're going to cover the t-shirts that we're going to be selling. They're going to cover the food that we're providing. They're covering the band. Everything is covered. All of my expenses are covered through sponsorships. So I really want to thank my sponsors. Go to our website, www.forgebrotherhoodmc.com, to find our website, and on there there's a tab. If you look on the top, there's a tab that should say sponsors. There on that sponsor tab, all of our sponsors are listed there. You can click on the sponsor logo if you want to find out more about them, be taken either to their website or to one of their social media pages. Make a $15 donation, make a $20 donation, make a $100 donation, whatever you want to make. Minimum $15 to go on the ride. If you don't want to go on the ride, but you want to come and get some Hazen's awesome, this is the bomb smack your mama chicken. It's really good, y'all. It's really good. Hazen's chicken is off the hook. So if you want some of his chicken with some sides, like some beans or some slaw or some mac and cheese, whatever it is that we have for sides, bag of chips and a drink, pay 10 bucks, you can eat. You do not have to go on the ride. We will be selling plates of food, so we will feed you for $10. Chip in 10 bucks and it'll go straight to the event. Also going to Sacred Selections. Speedway Harley Davidson, located on Bruton Smith Boulevard in Concord, across from Bass Pro Shops.
So you may be asking yourself, well, gee, Yogi, why Sacred Selections? What's up with Sacred Selections? Why are you supporting them? What's going on with there? Well, if you don't know anything about my family, we have adopted in total 11 kids. And Sacred Selections has been a vital piece of that, because each one of those adoptions that we've done costs $18,000 to $25,000. And we've done 11. Now, there were two of them that were a little bit different situations, and we didn't have those kind of costs. But out of the other 9, yeah, we did. So Sacred Selections has been a huge help to us and our family, financially funding some of those adoptions. Now, did they pay for the whole adoption? No, they didn't pay for the whole adoption. But did they give us monies to help facilitate that adoption? Absolutely. So it was my wife and my goal to one day be able to pay it forward and help donate back to them so they could bless other families like they have blessed our family, and help pay for things like court fees, airplane tickets, or whatever it takes to facilitate financially adoption, whether it's domestic or international. So Sacred Selections has been huge to our family personally, and they have personally touched our family. So it's been my goal to be able to give back to them and bless other families like they've blessed us. And with this being the 10th year, the last I counted, we've raised somewhere between 35 and 40,000 over the past 9 years that we've done this, and this will be year number 10, so we'll see what we can add to the pot, hoping at least somewhere between $5,000 and $10,000 that we can give the Sacred Selections this year. That's my goal. Let's see if we hit it, but I won't hit it unless you get there and y'all help me hit it. So please, let me see you April 1st. So given that information, Yogi Clan, you now know why this run is so near and dear to my heart. It's grown quite a bit over the past 10 years. I will give it. I remember one year when it was just like 8 of us at the run. We still managed, I think, that year to raise $800, but there was only about 8 of it. Was like 35 degrees. It was horrible. 35 degrees. It might have even rained the night before. So do me a favor, pray for good weather this year. Please, like the past couple years, it's been cold and wet. So let's say a little prayer for some sun this year, and that we get a good turnout. So I hope to see you all there. Now that you know how much this run means to me personally and to my family, it would be huge to be able to see you all there, to be able to hug each and every one of your necks. Appreciate all you do to support this ride and support Forged Brotherhood Motorcycle Club. More information on our website, more information on our Facebook page. Check both of them out. And I hope to see you on the road soon. Hi, Yogi Clan. Love you guys. Peace.